fast and fun. Hello there, my name is Dominic and today I have the Infinix HOT 30 for a quick unboxing and specification check. This is the highest spec Infinix HOT 30 series at a cost of 22,899 Kenya shillings. The other two phones are the Infinix HOT 30 Play and the Infinix HOT 30i at a price of 18,399 and 15,499 respectively. And this is the Infinix HOT 30 smartphone. Wow, looks like a premium device. I love that design at the back. Let's take a look at the other accessories inside the packaging. We have the customer service card, a flexible, free, clear phone case, a massive 33-watt fast charger, and finally we have the USB Type-C cable, hands-free headset, and the SIM ejector tool. When it comes to the design, I love these 3D looking lines at the back of the phone that move with the light. At the back we have a dual camera setup with quad flash, and look at how slim that camera bump is. Looks very nice. On the right side we have a recessed power button that also doubles up as the fingerprint scanner and the volume buttons on top of that. At the bottom from your right we have the 3.5mm audio jack, the microphone, USB Type-C port, and the speaker ports. On the left side we have a SIM tray that can hold one SD card and 2 nano SIM cards. At the front we have a large display with a punch hole for the front camera. On top of that we have the earpiece which also doubles up as the secondary speaker, and finally the front flash. We're going to see exactly the location during the camera section. And now let's take a look at the Infinix HOT 30 specifications. But first, take a look at this upgraded user interface. It looks quite nice together with the theme. And if you know the name of this character, please tell me in the comments below. All I know is that he belongs to this game, Free Fire game. And this screen is very smooth because of the 90 Hz refresh rate. So let's start the specifications with the screen, which is a 6.78-inch screen or 172.2mm. It has a resolution of 2460 by 1080. That's a full HD plus screen with a punch hole for the front camera like we saw before. This phone has dual notification zones. On the left side we have the actual notifications, and on the right side we have the drop-down menu. So the other specs are as follows. This phone is powered by a Helio G88 processor. The front camera is 8 megapixel, that's a punch hole camera. At the back we have a 50 megapixel dual camera setup at the back with quad flash. The phone comes with 8 GB of RAM, which is expandable up to 16 GB by using the MEMS Fusion feature, 256 GB of internal storage, 5000 mAh battery, and lastly, this phone runs on Android 13 operating system. With the help of the CPU X application, let's take a look at the sensors available on the Infinix HOT 30. But first, the CPU. So the Helio G88 processor is a Mediatek MT6769H processor, and this phone has a Mali G52-MC2 GPU. And these are all the sensors available on the Infinix HOT 30. We saw the fingerprint scanner is available on the power button on the side of the phone. So let's start at the accelerometer. So this phone has an accelerometer, orientation sensor, magnetic sensor, proximity sensor, light sensor, rotation sensor, as well as the gyroscope is available, very important for gaming. The gravity sensor is also available. The temperature, pressure, and humidity sensors are not available. And finally, the game rotation, step detector, and step counter sensors are available. Not only does this phone has a very big and bright display, it also has very good sound quality. Just listen to the quality on the Infinix HOT 30 dual speakers. The bass might not be a lot, but it's quite enough for a mobile device. Let's also not forget that this phone also supports NFC. Finally, let's take a look at the camera. The Infinix HOT 30 has a dual camera setup at the back. This is the main 50 megapixel lens followed by an AI lens, and we have the quad flash located over here. And does this camera placement remind you of anything? Anyway, let's continue. To activate the 50 megapixel feature, you just tap over here. These are the picture sizes available. We have the full screen, the 4:3, and finally we have the 1:1. And Infinix needs to introduce the 16:9 photo size as well. At the bottom you can see all these other features that include beauty, portrait, super night, AR shot, Pandora, documents, short video, slow motion, and time lapse. You can also select these features by scrolling at the bottom like that. And these are all the camera settings. We have HDR, customized watermarks. If you want to have the Infinix HOT 30 logo, you can select it over here. You can even add a city watermark, but you will have to enable the location. You can even add your own custom watermark. You can use your name or your logo for this. When it comes to video recording, the maximum video recording is 1440, which is 2K at 30 frames per second. The other qualities are 1080p and 720p, all of which are at 30 frames per second. When it comes to the AI cam and video, the maximum you can zoom is 10 times. This camera application also has Google Lens embedded, and you can use Google Lens for a lot of things. You can translate languages and you can search for objects simply by just taking their photos. What about the front camera? The front camera is 8 megapixels. Let's take a look at the flash. And that's the location of the front flash. The video qualities are also exactly the same as the rear camera. So that's it. What do you think of the new Infinix HOT 30? The other video I'll do about the Infinix HOT 30 is a battery charging experiment using the 33-watt fast charger. Infinix says that it takes only 30 minutes to fill this device from 0% to 55%. So I'm going to test that in my battery charging experiment. Let me know what else you would like to know about the Infinix HOT 30, and I'll be sure to reply to you or make a video in reply. I also have an article detailing all the differences between the Infinix HOT 30, Infinix HOT 30i, and Infinix HOT 30 Play on my website, so please check that out in the video description as well. So that's it. Thank you for watching and goodbye.